Hey there, friends of freedom. Welcome back to the Stateless Standard, where we cut through the statist fog and shine a light on real liberty, starting with your money. I'm here today to talk about something that's been lighting up the markets like our torch: gold's massive breakout in 2024 that carried right into 2025. We're diving into why central banks are hoarding bullion like it's the last line of defense, and most importantly, what true sound money really means, especially when you stack it up against fiat paper promises and those tokenized digital claims. This isn't just market chatter, it's advice from one liberty lover to another. In a world where governments print money like confetti, understanding this could safeguard your wealth from the powerful elite's games. Stick around, it's going to be eye-opening. Let's start by reflecting on what drove gold to that record high of over $4,300 an ounce in October 2025. Look, 2025 wasn't some isolated boom. It was the sequel to 2024's breakout, when gold smashed through $2,000 and climbed to $3,000, then kept pushing to $4,000. A lot of folks got jittery after Donald Trump's election win, thinking it'd tank gold. Gold stocks even got hammered in Q4 2024, with bears piling on because they figured Trump's America First vibe would strengthen the dollar. But here's the real talk, my friend. I saw it differently, and events proved it right. The inflation train didn't stop under Biden, and it sure as hell didn't derail under Trump. We're talking reckless monetary policies at the Fed, slashing rates, more quantitative easing, bigger deficits, scrapping the debt ceiling, and tariffs that jack up prices everywhere. These aren't pro-freedom moves. They're inflationary bombshells cooked up by the state to fund their endless wars and welfare empires. And guess what? That's rocket fuel for gold. It protects you from the dollar's devaluation, which is exactly what happens when politicians play God with the money supply. Now, peering into 2026, where's this heading? Straight up, in my view. Gold's been in a bull market for 26 years, climbing from under $300 back in 1999-2000. Sure, there was a sideways grind from 2011 to 2024, peaking at $900, dipping to then $50, hovering around $1,500 to $700, and struggling to break $2,000. That decade of consolidation frustrated a lot of us gold bugs, and it's when Bitcoin stole the spotlight. People jumped ship saying, gold's old school, Bitcoin's the new king. But 2024 changed everything. Gold broke out, and now we're in a phase like 1999-2011. Steady, substantial gains ahead. This isn't speculation, it's history repeating because the fundamentals haven't changed. Governments are still debasing currencies to prop up their power structures, and gold calls their bluff. But what does gold's climb really tell us about the economy? Nothing good, that's for sure. Fed officials are out there patting themselves on the back, claiming inflation expectations are contained. Yeah, right. $4,000 plus gold screams the opposite. If folks weren't worried about inflation eroding their savings, they wouldn't be flocking to gold. It's the ultimate hedge against the state's money-printing addiction. And don't get me started on sovereign actors. Central banks are stacking bullion like never before, because holding dollars is a sucker's bet. Inflation outpaces those pitiful treasury yields every time. So they're dumping dollars for gold. This isn't some benign trend. It's a red flag waving in the wind. Foreign central banks know the score. They're bracing for dollar devaluation because real inflation expectations are through the roof. It's a warning the elites ignore while they lecture us on stability. Think about this in broader terms. All those nominal stock market gains this century? Total illusion. The Dow's at nearly 50,000 now, up from 10 to 11,000 in 2000. That's almost 5x. But price it in gold, the real money, and the Dow's down 70%. Fiat funny money loses value, making stocks look pumped up. But in sound money terms, it's a crash. This exposes the scam. Governments inflate to hide their fiscal sins, robbing savers to bail out the connected. As libertarians, we see it for what it is: class warfare, regular folks like us versus the statist elite. Now let's tackle the elephant in the room: Bitcoin. Its fans call it sound money or hard money because of the limited supply. 21 million coins can't be inflated away. Governments are dipping toes in. Heck, the Czech central bank bought some, and US polls are talking it up. But listen close, friend. This is where the rubber meets the road on what true sound money means. Scarcity alone doesn't cut it. Sound money gets its name from the sound it makes when you drop it. Real substance, like gold clinking on a table. Bitcoin? It's silent because it's nothing. A string of numbers in the ether. No intrinsic value beyond hype. True sound money is a commodity with value independent of being money. Gold's got unique properties. Rare, durable, divisible, portable. Used in jewelry, tech, industry. It speaks for itself. No trust required in politicians or central planners. Fiat? That's just paper backed by government force. Legal tender laws, taxes payable only in it. Its value? Pure confidence. A belief system propped by state coercion. Bitcoin's the same, digital fiat without the guns, relying on collective faith that number go up. Governments accepting it, that's PR stunts like El Salvador luring crypto tourists, or polls pandering to big donors from the crypto lobby. Those campaign bucks buy influence, suckering more folks in. It's not adoption, it's manipulation to pump bags before the pop. And crypto's vulnerabilities? We're seeing cracks already. That massive liquidation on October 10th, 2025, just a preview. Markets tanked, but big funds act like it's nothing. Full steam ahead. Nah, that's denial. ETFs brought in normies chasing gains, not true believers. When panic hits, they'll bail fast, and who's buying? Not the whales. They've been offloading to ETFs. No tether magic can save it. Sellers want real dollars. Those Bitcoin treasury companies? Doomed. Their business is just holding Bitcoin. Anyone can do that without a middleman. MicroStrategy's the poster child. Down 65% from last year, premium vanished, soon trading at a discount. No more capital access, no fake yield from diluting shares. It's all imploding, exposing the Ponzi. The Bitcoin bigwigs like to duck this because deep down, they know Bitcoin's faith-based, gold's fact-based. The problem with Bitcoin? It demands trust that folks keep believing nothing is something. I can't stake my freedom on that. You shouldn't either. So wrapping this up, true sound money means personal sovereignty. Gold empowers the people against the state's fiat fraud. In 2026 and beyond, as inflation rages and dollars dissolve, gold's your shield. Don't wait for the crash. Stack now. Think Austrian economics. Live stateless. If this hit home, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more on breaking free from the powerful. Share your thoughts below. What's your take on gold versus Bitcoin? Until next time, keep that torch burning bright.